Hello, Melissa. Hey, Debs, what's up? I sent him a WhatsApp message. Huh? What time? At 10:20. It's now 10:50. He's been last seen at 10:35. I don't understand why he's not replying. Come on, man, calm down. Don't get stressed. Maybe he's working. Maybe he's working. No. Definitely has it on him. He's not working. Definitely has it on him because he uploaded a picture on Instagram. Are you sure? On Instagram? Being Nando's. I don't even understand that. What do you mean? What do you mean? Anytime. Anytime. If your girlfriend know they do you well, I will. Boyfriend know they do you well, I will. Hallelujah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty. Hope you have a good day. Hope you have a lovely night. Hope you slept well. Like 4 days ago, I was going through Instagram as I do. I don't think there's a day go past I don't go on Instagram. Anyway, and I saw this meme. I'll post it now because on my phone, but you won't be able to see it properly. So yeah, I'll post it now, and it says how I sleep when I know I'm single and no one is cheating on me. I have been laughing because look, you need to see the smile on the baby's face. I have been laughing at this for like 4 days now. Since my brother, we've been laughing about it. Like it's quite sad. You know, the stresses of like the stress of life, the stress. Like even like just maybe like a few months ago, WhatsApp didn't have the ticks. You know how WhatsApp now has the ticks? You can see, okay, the person's seen it, the person's not seen it. Before, WhatsApp did not have no ticks, so someone could be lasting at like 10:35. You send the message at 10. But you don't actually know if they've seen the message or not, because now you know that at least they've clicked into the message and seen it. But before, you'd be like, why is that replied? Why have they not replied? And it's like the stress of and now you're thinking, did I do something wrong? What happened? Did I do anything? Oh, nyame. And then I'm like, yeah, ow. Some of us cry, it affects us. We can't even eat. We cannot sleep. We cannot. Some of us will become anorexic, obesity, or coming obese because we're just stressed. Even Paul said it. I'm taking this out of context, but Paul said it. It's like 1 Corinthians. Okay, 1 Corinthians chapter 7 verse 8, 7 verse 8 must say something like, if you are married, stay like that, just like I am, because the stress, no, cool cry. Just chill out, man. Chill out. Especially you youngs. Chill out. Thinking, what's he doing? What's the person doing? What are they doing? What am I doing? Is what I'm doing affecting what they're doing? How, when, even when, after, before, long time before, generations after Genesis, Revelation, Octopus, Ghana, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Tanzania. Especially us girls, yeah. We just read into everything like rah. I got that from Meet the Patrons. They say that a lot. I don't know what it means, but I just think it's so cool. Like, rah, like he just like changed his profile picture twice. What does that mean? What does it 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 mean? Why did you change it twice in a day? What is he trying to like show off to another girl or something? Like, what is he trying to do? Like, he be quietly strolling through Instagram. Just like a girl's picture, 3 pictures in a row. You like 3 pictures in a row. He's never like 3 of my pictures in a like. Who is she anyway? Then you go to every single picture. The truth is coming out. Then you go through every single picture of hers just to show and see if they have liked it. The stress. Once they've liked one picture of the girls, no, you go to the girls. Father Lord, take away the stress from my body. Take away. Oh, he left a comment now. You left a comment now. Do you leave comments on my videos? Do you leave comments on my pictures? Do you? No. Why leave a comment on her pictures? Man, Paul said it, and I don't want to disagree with Paul. Because Paul is a very smart man, you know? Boop, boop. But yeah, the truth is real. Man, the things we do. How come? And I know I'm laughing. I know I can see myself. I know I'm laughing, but it's not laughter from like a happy place. It's a deep laughter inside, deep rooted in my soul, because I feel the pain. I feel it. I feel it. I don't receive it. And then the funny thing is, like, at the end of the day, the person was probably sleeping. It's like, baby, I'm sorry, like I was sleeping. I had a night shift. You're like, hey, when you know my bone. So what the picture, the meme is trying to tell us is that without that sort of confidence, you can't sleep well. Let me tell you something. Me da debia me da no pa me da pa. Me da kwa na ma sum da yes me da. Oh, it's a very beautiful mini da there. Yeah. Just say Gary no sugar. You cut together fine. Me that cool. No stressing. What me sorry. Oh, how are you, Deborah? Myself. What me sorry. Send myself a test. Myself. You know, at least I know I'm coming from the right place. You know. So, hi. And for all of you people that be shining your light on your relationship on Facebook and Instagram and ho, my friend, stop it. You better stop it, because it's not good for you. It's not good for you at all. Because just as you share the good side of it and we went to the party, you also share the bad side. And I used to look at those statuses of girls who would be like sending what's that word? You know what the word I'm talking about. They be sending subliminal messages to their friend, well, the other person, and it's like, you say you never leave me or forsake me. Are they God? Are they God? No, but they will send subliminal messages, and it's so sad, really. It really is sad. I can understand why you get to the point, but just realize that for the rest of us who are your Facebook friends, it's entertainment. Let's face it. Let's not lie. It's entertainment. I see someone write some, oh my goodness, I'm so fed up. I'm so fed up. It doesn't appreciate me like the way his shirt. It's entertainment for us, but for you it's real life. You know, it's for you. Me, I'm scrolling through like, oh my goodness, what's going on with her? Like, hello, you know, stay away. Like, you know, it's entertainment for us. For you it's real life. So just be cautious. And also, one annoying thing about you people, you pull like, oh my goodness, I deserve so much more. I'm not getting what I need in this relationship. And then someone will be like, what's up, babe? And then you be like, I'll inbox you. Stop right there. Proop. Don't inbox them. You started on timeline, continue on timeline. What's this secretive thing? You started with the continue. Why do you have to inbox them? Me, I want to hear. I want to hear too. So the less people that know, the better. And I'm not saying you should meet up. Oh, we only meet at 7 o'clock at night. But you don't need to be telling everybody. Oh my goodness, went shopping yesterday. Yeah. They went to the cinema. They went to Pizza Hut. You didn't walk in. The left table. That's where we sat. I had Sprite. Put some lemon in it with extra lemon. Why? Who are you trying? No, but let's face it. Who are you trying to show off to? In the good, in the bad, you're the one in it. So don't be shining your light as if wonder shall never end. That's another thing. Envy. Holy Ghost, do it again. Do it again. I have learned so well. Last year, this year, I keep on learning about this whole envy thing, and especially with social media, you always think people have it. You're like, this chick, man, she must. Don't, even if they do, let them have it. Continue. Let them have it. Fine, good. You know, but don't envy, because especially with relationships, these ones that they look so nice, and I've stopped trying to say this to people. Oh, you guys look so cute together, because it's such a small thing, but especially for, I think, the younger girls, it really goes in their head like, oh my days, but they seem really cute together. But this matter if I'm getting abused every night, innit? But I try not to, because I feel like sometimes those kind of little comments kind of encourage people, not encourage, but let them stay in things that it's not the best for them. Like, my friends, guard your heart, because through it flows the issues of life. Peace out. Shout out to Daniel do again for the lighting. Chi. I'll put a link of his channel here and also in the description bar. Oh my days, also there's this girl on here called Gracie. I'll put her name because I know how it feels to get your name butchered since primary 2. No one can say your name, so I'm not gonna pronounce her surname and try and butcher it. Her name is Grace, and her videos are so hilarious. She just made a new video called Common Sense, and It's just funny. It's just hilarious. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I should see you. I always do this, I can't say it. Cake in a bomb, na base in a bomb. Some more pen or something, you know, rap here, I mean, doom.